South Africans do not like immigrants and they have a very big problem with Nigerians. Let's talk about it.
To tell you the truth,
To tell the truth,
I hate foreigners. I hate foreigners. And the government is doing nothing.
and by the way, this is a documentary from BBC, as you can see. In South Africa at the moment, there are multiple movements against immigrants, from Amalanda to Put South Africans First, who are protesting daily. And do not forget the one and only Dudula, which when translates to English means to push out, to send, to pursue. To cut everything short, they want immigrants to leave their country, especially Nigeria. Their main reasons for not liking immigrants is that they believe by doing this, they can ensure that the jobs and business opportunities go to South Africans, which they believe immigrants are coming from another country to come and take their jobs. It's giving laziness. It's giving I don't want to work and I'm jealous of people who are working and making money while I'm sitting at home being lazy. And guess what? The only people they want to chase out of their country are their fellow black Africans, which is why I appreciate this South African for addressing them. Listen to what he is saying.
If you chase foreigners, you have to chase even the Makulas, the Indian people.
He believes chasing foreigners will destroy the economy. And remember when I told you they have a particular problem with Nigerians? Listen to this lady.
Even now, dating a Nigerian man is taboo. And then when he got me pregnant, I was forced to...
Pay a charge.
Exactly, yeah, rape. Exactly. And that's what
You were
really
forced.
happened. Yes, and I was young and, I didn't have a choice.
By the state. So his only crime was being born in a different country.
Yeah.
So her story is she's dating a Nigerian and she became pregnant. Her family decided to report the case to the police station and later charged the boy with RAPE. Her family forced her to lie against him in the courtroom and they later charged him with RAPE. And here she is confessing in a live podcast. The question is, why do you not like Nigerians, or why do you have a big problem with Nigerians? Let me hear you in the comment section.